it's really stretched. What in the texturizer is going on here? Texturizer. Well, anyways, to find out what I'm talking about, just keep watching the video. But yay, it's wash day and I'm trying out new products from OGX. So that's the OGX apple cider vinegar rinse. And I tried to use it as a prepoo because I had a protective style since September and my hair was dirty. So I just needed something to like really clarify my hair. And I feel like it did do that even though it didn't really lather as much. So now that my scalp is clean, I'm going to use the OGX Kukui Oil. Kukui Oil. I don't know how to pronounce it, but it claims to hydrate and defrizz the hair. And it's not a typical clarifying shampoo that I'm used to that foams a lot. It felt more like a moisturizing shampoo, but I did feel like it cleansed my hair a lot, which is really good. And plus, it's sulfate free. So we always want sulfate free because my scalp is tender. But yeah, it smells good and it really defined my curls, if you can see. And to finalize everything, I'm going to use the Kukui Oil Conditioner. And yeah, it's a decent consistency. It's not too thick, not too runny. And I feel like it did its job. There was nothing really wow about it. But to be honest, it's a good product anyway. That was long. So yeah, like my hair is really, well, it's somehow clean. I still have a bit of conditioning here. But yeah, this is my hair in its natural state. I thought, let me just do it differently this time because I always have my hair in twists. So I just wanted to see how it would look. My hair looks crazy. As you see, like I have a long bit here, but that's only because the front part of my hair is really loose curled. So it looks like it's damaged, but I promise you it's not. So yeah, so in this part of the video, I will be reviewing the curl stretcher. And I saw it on, like, I saw people reviewing it on YouTube. And it seems like it defines, no, it seems like it elongates, sorry, the curls. And I really wanted to see if it works. So that's going to be what I'm going to do now. And obviously, Cantu is not a product that I really like, but I just wanted to see what it's going to do. So I'm going to part my hair in, I'll see 4 sections, if not along, like, smaller sections. Detangle and then apply it. And it says that I have to apply to damp hair. My hair is kind of damp. Apply to damp hair, leave in for 3 to 5 minutes and rinse with cool water. So since I have low porosity hair, I feel like I might do it a little bit longer. So I think I might do 10 to 15 rather than 3 to 5 because that's short. I'm going to put a cap. It doesn't say to put a cap, but I'm going to put a cap because I want the product to really sink into my hair. Since I'm not going to do a deep conditioner because it is kind of like conditioner-y, I think. So yeah, I'm talking too much. Let me just do it now. My hair shrinks up so much. Oh my god, look at that. Look at that. So I'm gonna coils holding me back. So that's okay. Okay, so we're going to be using it. I'm so scared. So let me see what it looks like. Oh wow. It's thick. I'm so scared. Like, oh no. I know. Oh no. Yeah, it is really thick. Okay, so yeah, this is thick. Okay, but it doesn't feel too bad. So, So I'm gonna do that to my whole head, and I will be back with you guys in a bit. So, okay, so I've rinsed it out. So for the moment of truth, I don't know. Okay, forget this side. We're gonna do this side because this is the one I started with. So let's start with the back, since that is the kinkiest of the kinkiest. Wait. I'd say that's a little bit elongated. Okay, let me take out the whole of one side, and then I'm gonna compare it with how it was when there was no product, because I see definition, I see a bit of elongation as well, but yeah, let me take everything out and see. Oh, wait. Oh, wait a minute. Are you guys seeing this? Okay, 2 more to take out, because right now I don't know what to make of this. I don't know. What? I feel like my hair looks bigger. Oh my god! Wow! Oh my god! What? I want to take everything out, but then I don't want to have to detangle everything. So it's really stretched. What in the texturizer is going on here? Okay, so, well, there you have it. It works. It actually works. So this is the Cantu curl stretcher. It's a rinse. And I left this in. I feel like I left it for less than 10 minutes. But it stretched my hair. And at the same time, I used this as a deep conditioner because I didn't want to keep going, putting product, washing it out. So I think it's creamy enough to work as a deep conditioner as well. So my hair feels really soft and it feels really elongated. Like, I know this part of my hair is really like, I know that part of my hair is already like stretched out, but when we go to the kinky bits, like, everything is just stretched. I feel like I'm seeing things. Well, that is the product. That's my review on the Cantu Curl Stretcher. So, as I said, it minimizes shrinkage. Yes, I feel like it did. Humidity resistant, I don't know, but it better. And yeah, like, I got this for $5.99, and it's got no sulfates, no silicones, no parabens, or no mineral oil. So it's quite a good product as well, and look at the results. So I'm quite happy with that actually. So that's the video. I will try to find a link to the product and put it in the description box below, but I bought this at the black hair shop. So yeah, that's the bottle. That's what it looks like. So if you are interested in getting the product, that's what it looks like. I'm going to put it in the description box below. And yeah, let me know in the comments how it worked for you, because I have seen videos where it didn't work for everyone. So let me know if it worked for you, and I'll be back with another video soon. So bye.